Yeah, that's the cherry tree that was on the west side of the storm cellar. You can see the storm cellar roof there a little bit. There's the old house standing, survived it, no problems. There's that crazy big soft maple that just got torn apart. And to a little bright spot, the rhubarb garden is looking pretty good. The purple flowers and the yellow roses are still here. There's a tree laying on it, but I think they'll come back. We have the fences around the rhubarb. They've got blown off pretty much. That was to keep, something was eating my rhubarb. Another view of the big maple that went down. Boy, it used to give us some great shade. It's going to be a long time before there's any of that big shade around here again. It is just down. And there's the cherry tree down on the storm cellar. And the elm looks like it lost some branches, but it's still standing. I wish I could tell you how big this thing is. It's hard without a person standing next to it. It's just huge. And I can't do it. But it had some hollow wood in it. And there's one of its big arms that knocked into the maple. Maybe we can stand that maple back up. I don't know. It is just huge. And that's the maple that lost the big arm last year, 2025. And so this is pretty much the end of the tour. Larry and Bob and Patty showed up to help. My gosh, how wonderful. Yep, there we go. That's it. That's it for now. Bye-bye.